Here's birdie number 1. And here's birdie number 3. You can hear the parents in the background. Now this is the one that we're going to keep. In the past, we had a bird with this coloring. See how it has that mohawk in the back? Not the crest, not this, but this part right here. And I thought that meant yellowhead, it's a boy, but you know what? My daughter has that bird and it lays eggs, so I'm presuming this one might be also a girl. Only time will tell. Now look at these wings, watch them go. Isn't that beautiful? So you can see how these feathers are just starting to peek out of, I forget what it's called, the shaft, I guess. Or, anyway. They'll probably start fledging in the next 2 weeks, maybe the next week. Wanting to fly. Oh, smacked him in the face, huh? This one hasn't been as much eager with the wing spreading, even though it's fully beautiful feathers. Okay, I've relocated the baby birds. See that box? They're in the bottom cage in this box. Trying to do my best to discourage Mama and Papa Bird from having more. No double clutching, guys. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of perching practice. Whoa. Look at that! You're a big girl! You're perching! The parents are right there. They're not the happiest. Whoa! Well, he wanted off.